Welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm going to go through this fault code here. So on the engine control module we've got a map thermostat activation line. Now if you're getting this, sometimes it may be intermittent in your case, sometimes it's permanent. It's not end of the world, it's the thermostat. Well, it's something you need to look at really. You'll probably get the engine light on. I very much doubt you'll lose power, but it could happen. It's all to do, it goes, it sends signal back to the ECU. However, I'm going to guide you to where it is and also where you can get the part. So this is a 320i, so the part you can get online. It's a 2-litre petrol, so it would be ideal to remove this, which is just here, this and this. It'll be a case of popping, removing this here and this, undo this pipe, and there is another pipe sometimes underneath, which there isn't in this case. Anyways, where we need to be, so it's a bit of a difficult one, it's this round. You see this round here, this circular thing, that's your thermostat. The wire to it is right underneath there. I'll sharpen the light up a bit. It's underneath this cable. You see the sensor underneath there, that sensor? That is the sensor that goes to it, and it's very fragile because I have seen it in the past where the wiring to it, so like this here, the wiring to it, exactly like this one, does snap or break. So it's ideal to check the wiring first and make sure the sensor's plugged in. If not, then it'll be the thermostat itself really. And you can buy it online, probably 30-40 quid. I'd buy genuine OEM stuff, you don't want aftermarket. It may be more, maybe less, I don't know about the figures exactly, but they're the sort of prices. Some cars are really a lot more, but in this case that's where it is located. And yeah, eBay's your best bet, or even dealer, but make sure it's genuine. So here is an image of what it looks like. I would recommend buying new and not used, because you could be in the same boat. So for the sake of a few quids, well, that's even 20, if it's 30, 40, whatever the price is, just get new. And this is where the sensor lays here. Just check the sensor in the pins that are fine, and yeah, jobs are good in.